I'm going to walk you through how to create a subdomain in Squarespace. If you're looking to organize your website content more effectively, or perhaps launch a specific section like a blog or an online shop, creating a subdomain is a fantastic way to do it. So let's dive in and get started. First, we need to navigate to the right place in your Squarespace account. Begin by heading over to the settings section where you'll find a variety of options to manage your site. From there, go to domains. This is where all your domain management takes place, and it's the hub for setting up your subdomain. Once you're in the domain section, the next step is to select the domain you want to edit. You'll see a list of your domains. Click on the root domain that you're planning to modify. This is an important step because you're essentially telling Squarespace which main domain you want to associate your new subdomain with. Now, it's time to add a forwarding rule. Scroll down until you find domain forwarding rules. This is the feature that allows you to create and manage your subdomains effectively. Click on Add Rule, which is the option you'll need to start the process of creating a new subdomain. Next comes the configuration part, which is where you'll actually define what your subdomain will be and where it will lead. In the subdomain field, enter the prefix you want to use. For example, if you're setting up a subdomain for research purposes, you might enter research. If it's for a shop, simply enter shop. This prefix will become the first part of your URL, so choose something relevant and easy to remember. Now, in the forward to field, decide where you want this subdomain to direct visitors. You can enter your root domain if you want it to point to your main site, or you could direct it to a specific page URL if you're setting up something unique or separate. This flexibility allows you to tailor the user experience based on the purpose of your subdomain. After you've filled out these fields, make sure everything looks correct and then hit save. This step is crucial as it finalizes your settings and makes your subdomain live. You'll want to double check that everything is entered correctly to ensure that your subdomain functions as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully created a subdomain in Squarespace. Creating subdomains can really help streamline your website and offer a more organized and professional appearance to your visitors. Whether you're setting up a new section of your site or launching a new feature, subdomains can be an excellent way to keep everything orderly and accessible. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful in setting up your Squarespace subdomain.